Te Arawa Whānau Ora have a new way for you to book into our workshops in Wānanga with the Tapikiora app. Signing up is simple and easy. To get started, download the Tapikiora app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap the 3 lines in the top left corner to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, tap Sign Up and follow the prompts. Then sign in. You'll see our workshops organised by month. Tap the month you'd like to browse. When you find a workshop you want to attend, open it, view all the details, scroll to the bottom, select your time slot, enter how many people are attending, then tap Book, and you're all set. Go ahead and download the app today, secure your spot and join in on our workshops. It's all free.